Okay, if you've read my book, you've certainly seen the part where we talk about our attack timeline on scene and how we prove that. Get back up there on your bed. Go ahead, Arrow. Excuse me. So we talked about how long it takes to get your tool into play, and then how long it takes to use that tool, and it's really a window of percentage. So it's not, oh, that's a 2-second entry. It's that could be anywhere from 2 seconds to 10 seconds. So with some common master locks and some other inexpensive locks like it, we are going to start a timer, open our tools from scratch, implement our tools, get a successful opening, and we're going to go all the way through all 10 of these locks, and we're going to get our fastest entry, our slowest entry, and then we're also going to take a look at the average. So we're going to be able to use that information on scene. So now if we know that our average entry is about 4 minutes for a lock like this, that doesn't mean that's our fastest. That means our average is about 2 to 3 to 4 minutes. And we know that our second line gear with better tools is about a 5-minute walk away. Then we have a lot more information we can use on scene. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that our fastest entry was 21 seconds, our slowest was 3:14, and so that brings our average to about 1 minute and 17 seconds. So, we really are just playing with the basics here, and anyone that does anything advanced in their field, you really, I think, God, a huge part of that is playing with the basics and just throwing variables in and seeing what you can learn from it. What we didn't see here, but we can learn from here, is this is your fast, your average, and your slow entry for picking open a padlock on a desk. This is not your timeline for the field, but it's similar. Meaning if you have a padlock that's 3 minutes to open, and it's on a chain, and it's a little rusted, and you have to put your hands in an awkward position to get your tools in, that's not going to be a 3-minute entry. It's going to be a 6 or a 12 or a 15-minute entry in the field. So this is a guideline, but it really does, it shows you how much time to spend on each lock, when to switch when to switch tools, how fast it could open if things are going really well, or how slow it might take. So really we're trying to shape you into a field expert in this craft. If you want more, check out my book, Tactical Lock Picking. You can get it at most retailers, or just come visit the website on simplytactical.com. See you on the next one.